How about some classic Chevy muscle car here? 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle, two-door hardtop. This one is done up in GM navy blue. 352E is the paint code. Newer paint job on it, as well as vinyl top, bright work. And there is a can in the trunk of the car, so if you ever wanted a paint coat or what have you on it, we'll leave that in the car. Now underneath the hood, also recently rebuilt 454 V8 that is paired up with a 4-speed Muncie. And there is also a list of what was done on the engine that we received. You can sure call in, discuss that with a sales associate. They'll be able to pull up the file on it. You have any questions there. Power steering, power brakes, also underneath the hood. Aluminum radiator, dual fans. Now, I'm going to tell you the website address. You can check out the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. So if you want to go into the still pictures, see what I'm talking about, that's where they're at. The number to call if you want to discuss anything with a sales associate, 507-386-1726. Now, you can also see newer chrome on this. It has a stock grille. Newer chrome up front. And again, paint, it's a dark blue. So, I mean, it does have a nice luster to it. You almost get a little bit of that real dark, almost black look. But it is a navy blue paint on it, as you can see, riding in American racing. 5-spoke polished wheels. VF Goodrich radials. Now a little bit more underneath the hood. Does have a new carb, distributor, headers. Were all installed during the rebuild, as well as plug wires, power steering pump and hoses. Mini torque starter. I mentioned the aluminum radiator, I believe, with the dual fans. That's just some of the stuff that was done underneath there. We're going to fire this thing up. You can check out underneath the hood here. Run. This one's got a rumble to it. A little power coming out of that 454. Bucket seats. It's that 4-speed Muncie. Shifter on the floor. A couple aftermarket gauges added underneath. I believe it was for temperature and oil pressure. Retro sound, I believe it is. A stereo in there. That does work. 6x9s in the back deck. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Again, you can see the bright work back here, also new top in very nice shape. You can see that in all the pictures. There's probably 100+ pictures of this car online. Rear chrome bumper, great shape. Coming around to the rear end, 12-bolt posi in this one, 342 rear gears. A couple things I did forget to mention on the engine. It does have new engine mounts, fender wells up there, new clutch, flywheel and bearings. And again, there is a list of this. Please feel free to consult with a sales associate. You can call them at 507-386-1726. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look up and down the side of this car too. You'll see the reflection of the showroom behind me, and you can see the car's straight. Not full of dings and nicks, scratches. Like I said, newer paint. Showing well. As far as interior, seat covers, headliner, carpet, all fresh. Looking good in this one. So 6x9s in the rear deck, rear seat. Aftermarket tack added to the steering column. That does work. All right, let's go ahead and pop this door open. Let's get this thing running. I want you to be able to hear it. Now, just threw the floor mats in here to cover up a little dusty shoes and stuff around the showroom here. Wanted to cover up that carpeting so you can see the still pictures without the floor mats in it. Nice carpeting, looks good. How easily that starts. We got a little rumble coming out of this. I'm going to get it to warm up a little bit here. Make sure it's cleared out so you can hear it idle. Again, recent hood pod. First of all, aluminum radiator, dual fans, new hoses, headers, nice little valve covers, nice little dressed up engine. Here's your Edelbrock intake. New master cylinder, brake booster, wipers do work. I believe it's a new wiper motor, HEI ignition back there, new wires, plugs, power steering pump, fender wells, again, motor mounts, hitting on some of the things I know I mentioned before. Look at that baby idle. There's a tough sounding muscle car. 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle 2-door hardtop, 454 Muncie 4-speed, a lot of fresh things have been done to this recently. Looking good. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Shoot us an email or give us a call.